Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for tuning in and checking out this episode. If this is your first time here and you guys enjoy all things tech and repair related, please make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and smack that bell so you're notified on our latest videos. If you guys have any questions, comments, suggestions, or need a screen repair, please visit us at www.mrphonedoctor.com or simply leave a comment down in the area below. And of course, if there's anything you guys do want to see in detail, please leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to make a video on that. Alright, now that we got all that out of the way, what's up guys? Thanks once again for tuning in and checking out this episode. So today you guys are in for a little treat. REFOX has just sent us a little package here, which includes one of their latest devices that they just released. It's pretty cool, it's very small, and I know it's going to be very useful to a lot of you guys using those back glass laser machines. So let's go ahead and open this up and reveal what we have inside. Boom. So once again, REFOX, thank you all so much for sending this. I'm excited to see how well this device works. So for those of you guys out there that do not have an extraction system or any way of getting all the bad air out that you get from solder fumes or laser machines, this is going to be the device here for us, okay? So here you can see how you have several different pads which you're going to use as filters. These are going to filter out any kind of smog air. These are some solder lugs. They did also send us some solder lugs for those of you guys out there doing solder logic board repairs. These are little jumper cables that are already cut out and they make your job a lot easier. I'll do another video on how these guys work. I am not a solder master, so I'll do my best to explain on how these work. But if you do want to get your hands on some of these solder lugs, REFOX has them all on their website, so you guys can visit their website. So let's see what we have here. Looks like we have a power cable, and here is our main little device. Pull this guy out. So here we are. This is our REFOX DFE-20. Quality and everything on here feels pretty good. Very lightweight, which is nice, you know. So for those of you guys who like portability and want to be able to carry this around, that makes it very convenient because this thing weighs, I'd say, about 5 pounds. So really good. You do have your power button to turn it on, and I believe this is going to be your fan. So this will help increase any kind of speed or anything like that when you're running the extraction. But for you folks out there who do need extraction system or a filtration system to get all the air out, this is going to be the way to go, guys. Very convenient, and it's priced well at $75. So let's see how this sits in. It's probably just threaded. Screw this in, and here you have your slinky arm to position over whichever area you want to filter out. So pretty cool. I like that. And you do have in the back here, this is where your filtration system is located. So anytime you need to replace this filter, you can just slide that out very easily. And it looks like there's another filter here as well. Pretty cool. I think it's going to work well, and it's going to help eliminate all that bad air and keep you guys healthy, so you guys can keep on doing these repairs for all our customers. And it does have this little back plate, so this little back plate attaches right on here just to cover it up, and I'm sure that just helps seal this area so you don't have any air seeping out. It looks like it got smashed, so it does sit in there, but looks like there's a little damage here in shipping. I might have to pry that open to get this to sit in, but oh well. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my solder station so I could show you guys this machine in the works, and you guys could see how much of that fumes it gets out, because we have a nice clean pad here, so you guys will be able to see that. Alright, so I went ahead and brought out my soldering iron. I got it up to temperature, and I want to go ahead and show you guys how well this little machine works. I'm going to show you guys how quiet it runs. So decibel wise, I believe I saw on REFOX website is running about 60, but I'll do my own little decibel check on it. And of course, I'm going to show you guys what the filters look like before and after. So let's go ahead and I'll reveal to you guys that this is a clean filter, and we'll run it for a few minutes and see how well this works. And I'm just going to be burning normal solder, okay? With the machine off, I'm going to go and tin some solder on the iron here, and you guys can see the smoke that comes out of here. Look at all this toxic smoke flying up. I'm going to hold my breath or blow it away. You know, I know that's one method that we do here. So now we'll go ahead and burn using our little REFOX DFE-20. Go ahead and turn it on, and that is on low. It's really not making any sound at all, but that's on the low setting. Let's turn it up. So it's a little loud, not too bad. Sounds like a little turbo running. But let's go ahead and burn this so you guys can see the effects of this while it's working. Nice little suction. Let's burn the iron. But look at that. You can see all the smoke just being sucked in. You see that trail of smoke just being sucked in by this little vacuum? And that's all toxic, so you don't want to be inhaling this. There we go, look at that. It's even pulling it up from down here, even at a distance. Look at that. So it doesn't have to be close to it. I mean, it just seems to pull that vapor out within a good couple inches. So that's with the DFE-20. And this is without it. That's with it off. You can see all this smoke just rise up. Let me go ahead and show you guys the decibel readings that it's putting out. For those of you out there who want to know how loud it is. Okay, I'm going to do a reading here without the device on, with it turned off actually. So we are reading out a quiet state about 58, 59. You guys can see that there. As long as I'm quiet, we'll be hitting that. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Let's see how loud it gets. So right there, we're hitting about 75, 76 decibels, which is less than talking noise. So that's good, really good, especially if you guys are in a little confined space. It's not going to make a lot of noise. Highly recommend this for those people out there who are doing repairs in the mall kiosks. You know, it's going to be very portable, small, and I think it'll just fit your space perfectly for those back glass repairs. Let's go ahead and take a look and see how much toxins we pulled out of here. And look at that, it's still clean. So you can see with that small amount of cleaning that I did, or filtration that I ran, it's still pretty clean, the filter. I don't see it. Yeah, this may not be replaced. I'm sure you can replace it, but majority of the fumes and the filter is going to be sucked in through this one here, because this one's on top. But yeah, I mean, it looks really, really clean. So I really do think that you're going to be able to have a lot of use with one filter. And the good thing is it did come with let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 extra filters, so 6 total, including the one installed. But overall, I am very happy with this. We're definitely going to be putting it to work. It's going to be our new little solder fume extractor, so we'll be getting all those solder fumes out of there. And the good thing is, like I said, is it doesn't take up much desk space. So you have it taking up, I'd say probably about 7, 8 inches. It's like an 8x8 box. So really, really good. And once again, if you do want to purchase this item, check out RERA's website. They have it there on sale. I believe it's $75, US dollars that is. You can pick it up plus whatever shipping it is, depending what country you're in. So that's going to pretty much wrap up my video on this RERA DFE-20. Make sure you guys get your hands on one of these. If you guys have any questions, comments, leave them down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll actually be making a video using this on the laser machine next. So make sure you guys subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next episode. Cheers.